What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Agik. So change the scene mode is very simple. You just bring your camera to the scene mode, as you can see. And once we are at the scene mode, we can easily change the scene mode by using the dial key. Yes, you heard me right, by using the dial key. Or we can just do like this. For example, people we have a lot of scene mode. E-portrait, landscape. We can just go back by menu, landscape. It have a lot of landscape mode. Motion, we can check into motion. Scenery, let's check the scenery mode. As you can see, close up is for the food, photography, natural, document, and then from here the indoor. As you can see, they have a lot of scene mode. So it was me, none other than Jimmy. Subscribe and